Hi guys, Daniel here and welcome back to another one of my product review videos. And in this video we're looking at the ASPERX, I think that's how you pronounce it, AX 2000 jump starter. There is a bigger model of this available, but this model here, we've already got a couple of these. I've bought this for a car just to keep it in there. This particular model here will start at least 2.5 litre diesel engines. So it's got a lot of features. It's very simple to use. I'll just show you those bits on the back. Basically, it's a big lithium-ion battery, and it charges via USB-C, and all those bits are included. So we'll just take a look back. So it's really easy to use. You just connect the crocodile clips to it. You press a button, and then you give it, say, 30 seconds for a really dead battery, and then try and crank it over. But you got to make sure you give it a few seconds for the juice to flow. It's got a lot of built-in protections, including reverse polarity. So red is red, black is black. Instead, if you put it red to black, black to red, that's what that means. So it won't do it unless that's right, and it'll tell you. All sorts of other bits as well. As I say, I have got a couple of these already. I bought this for £27 on offer. They're normally about £30 odd for this particular one from Amazon. This has got me out of several problems with vehicles not starting, including a van, a big truck and a little car. So I can tell you now they work. It's definitely worthwhile getting one of these and just having it as a spare in the back of the car or van, whatever you've got. It does get you out of a lot of trouble, because if you've got something like this, you don't have to jump start it off another vehicle if you're out doing a lot of stocks, etc. So it comes in this nice carry case. There's obviously a manual in the back, and this will tell you everything you need to know, different languages, and it will start big vehicles like that. You can actually use it as a battery charger for your phone, because it has USB output as well. See, as it shows there. So not only does it start your car, it'll also charge your devices as well. Just make sure you've got plenty of charge in it when you're out and about though. Actually, speaking of what it will do, 8 litre, 6.5. I've definitely done it on 2 litre and 2.5 diesel, so I can tell you now that works. And I think with this, if I remember rightly, it's at least, I think it said about 50 to 60% charge on the little screen before you can use it. So make sure you keep it fully charged, and it doesn't take a long time to charge either. So inside the case, we have the unit itself. I'm trying to film this with one hand, so bear with me please. Okay, it's all very nicely packed and wrapped, and I bought 2 of these already, so it's always been the same, always been nice. So it just has a little thing on here that says fully charged before use, and definitely fully charge it. There's obviously some more details on the back, and on the front you've got USB out, so that's like standard chargers, and you've got the USB-C. It also has a little light, and I have just turned it on here. Just pull that off a minute. So the power button's here. It's already 67%. You want that 100%. And in this portion of the pouch, 2 sides, we have a USB-C charging lead, and that would charge it there, and it doesn't take long to charge. And it has these crocodile clips on the battery, and it has this part here. This blue is keyed, which that means it only goes in a certain way, and that would go, open this up, that would go in there. It might be a bit difficult to push in because it's new, but just be careful when you push it in. And there's a little LED on here, correct, reverse, so basically the crocodile clips reverse them to the right way when you do it. And there's a boost button as well, so if you've got a really flat battery on a bigger vehicle, just put boost on and give it 30 seconds plus. And it's quite helpful. You've got quick start guide. So as I said earlier, as I said 50 to 60, it's actually 50%, 50 to 100% before you even use this. And really easy to use, and they do work 100%. There's a little bit of troubleshooting. So the next thing I would do is I would go and charge this, and then in the second part of the video we'll show it on a car. So just USB-C charger. Just plug that in 1 minute. So that's USB-C, and it's 67% at the moment. Coming in, it's charging at 5 volts, 2.4 amps. So I'll leave this 20 minutes, half an hour. The important thing to say about this is even when you've used it a couple of times, it doesn't take a lot of charge off it. It's like 5%, even when you've started a big vehicle up, from experience. So that's the product so far. I might show it on the video, I might show it on a car, but I might not. I haven't really got a flat battery at the moment. But I can tell you now 100%, if you're looking at buying this, this does work. I've got 2 others, and this has got me out of a lot of situations. In fact, I was out a few days ago, and I noticed somebody was trying to start their car, and I just said to him, do you want a bit of help? And I pulled this out, put it on, pressed the boost button. 30 seconds later his car was started up, and he thanked me for it. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope this video is helpful if you're thinking about buying. If you've got any questions, just ask me.